Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here today in my shop 2007 Subaru Impreza in this beautiful blue color, and I would like to show you how to inspect your MAF, which is mass airflow sensor. So first of all, where is it located? On this EJ25 4-cylinder non-turbo engine. So it's always located between the intake and the engine air filter, and that means that must be here, right? So this is the MAF sensor. Now, why you should be even interested in inspecting this? Well, that's one of the sensor which affects how the entire engine runs, and if it's dirty, then as you can imagine it's not giving correct information to the engine computer and it's not running correctly. Now, inspection is about removing it and looking at it closely, and I suspect, right, this is very often overlooked item, so I suspect it will be dirty. To start, I will remove this electrical connector by pushing on this tab down. That lifts it, and I will be able to remove it this way, right? So electrical connector is off. After that, I will clean the area around. I can see again nobody was here for a while, and I will start with removal of the sensor and close examination. Now it's always held here with these two tiny screws, so I use this small Phillips screwdriver. I will insert it there and carefully loosen them and remove them. You don't want to drop them anywhere like I just did, right? Did you see that? This is hysterical. I was going to tell you, be careful. Don't drop them, because then it's hard to find them. They are tiny, right? I will need to use magnet to fish for them. Here is the screw. And I just did, I'm in a hurry to film it for you fast, and I just dropped one. I brought the light and finally I spotted it, it's right here. So I got lucky this time, but this is what I wanted to warn you about, and rushing to make the video fast, I made exactly same mistake. How funny is that? So now both screws are gone and I'm able finally to remove upward that MAF sensor, and it's exactly what I suspected. It's really dirty, and now I will show you how to see that. So I changed the place to get more light and to show you. Here between these plastic parts is that wire, which is the sensor, and if you look at that wire, it's completely covered by the dirt. Why? Because if I turn it around, the wire is nice and shiny. Do you see the difference? If I turn it, this is where the air is coming from. It's completely like a flat, right? You don't see the wire, you don't see that shiny silver part like here. So that perfectly shows, and I of course suspected it. This is very often overlooked part of the tune-ups. This needs to be clean. How to clean that I will show you in different video on this channel. So now I'm ready to put it back and put it in the comments for the owner of this vehicle. I really hope you find this little video helpful. Hopefully it will encourage you to do more own maintenance and tune-ups on your own Subaru, and please be tuned, be subscribed. I have always way more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.